weekend, I started this wall. I'm gonna finish it today and show you how I did it. I have this big tub of spackle. I've got this spatula. I'm gonna smear it on the wall, and then I'm gonna use stamps. After it sets up, you don't wanna do it when it's wet because it won't work, but you don't wanna do it when it's dry because that won't work either. It has to be at just the perfect consistency so that the stamp will impress into the wall situation without like being a hot mess and sticking to the stamp. I used joint compound before. There's also drywall mud. There's all kinds of different things you can use. Just wanna smear it on like 1/4 inch thick. Takes a while to dry, but once you smear it on, then you just gotta keep an eye on it. It's like frosting. You want it to be like frosting. See, this one is this spackle paste, but there's also one that starts off pink. It starts off pink and then it turns white as it dries, which is really nice because then when it turns light pink, you pretty much know that that's the ideal consistency or dryness so that you can stamp into it. These are the new seashell stamps from Iron Orchid Design. We have them on our website. I used the leaf stamp and the kindest regard stamp when I first started the wall. I thought it would be fun to add the seashells because they're new. Starfish, the seahorse. If I were to stamp it right now, it wouldn't be good. All the stuff would stick to it and there would be no impression left on it. So you want it to dry halfway-ish and then stamp it. If it's too dry, it won't do anything.
I know I'm cheap, but I'm sold to whatever you're selling. I guess if truth be told, I tripped and I fell in over my head, even though I said I'm not looking for a lover. Sometimes I swear you're still in my stare. One of these days you're gonna blow my cover. And I guess if you were free, I could change my plans. Rent an old movie, we'll place my hands over your head.
So I am going to use shipwrecked wax. I'm not going to paint over it, but I do want the wax to get down into all the low spots so that you can see all of the details. So I have a little bit of shipwrecked wax. I put it on my wax brush. I brought these rags that you can get. They're just cotton rags you can get at Home Depot. So I'm going to start circling the wax onto the wall like this, and it gets down into the low spots and you can see the detail on the wall. And then I wipe off the top part. And so it still stays kind of white, but it highlights all the indentations.
Sometimes I swear you're still in my stare. One of these days you're gonna over my head, even though I said I'm not looking for a lover. Sometimes I swear you're still in my stare.
If you want to recreate this, you need the kindest regards stamp, the leaf stamp, and shipwrecked wax. This is the half-finished wall. This is a new roller. It's a brick roller from IOD, and I want to try it. I thought it would be cool to just do like a wainscot of brick down at the bottom half. The only problem is I have no idea how to use it. I am going to wing it like I always do. There's a bunch of information. I'll put the link down below if you want to do it the correct way, but I am just going to do it the winging it way. I've got this right here, all-purpose joint compound. I'm going to spread it on the wall from like here down and then stamp into it again so it looks like some of it's crumbling away and exposing the brick. We're just gonna see how it goes. And here you can see me spreading on the joint compound. The next thing I'm gonna do is use the brick roller, but I did not measure or tape it off like the instructions said, so my lines were crooked. Now I'm spreading things out smooth again for try number 2. See the bucket in the corner? You're supposed to dip the brick roller into a bucket full of water before you roll it on again.
Hi everyone, it's me. I'm here now because Debbie is over this wall. This is what we got done, and we really want to get this video out to you guys, so this is what we have. We got most of the wall covered. The brick doesn't look good, to be honest. What looks good looks really good, and I loved how the Shipwreck Crew wax looks in the stencils, but what looks bad looks really bad. So we're gonna leave it at that. Stay tuned. We got your attention, so you have to wait till we fix it all up, because we are DIY fixers and we can fix anything. We will eventually at some point read the instructions, because Debbie didn't read the instructions on how to do the brick wall, so it became the hot mess and we're over it now. So here's the final product.
We gotta take it slow.